What you're looking at isn't just a motorhome. This is the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome, and it completely redefines what luxury on wheels means. Built on a heavy-duty Kenworth platform, this machine combines commercial-grade durability with high-end residential comfort in a way most RVs can't even dream of. From the first glance, the presence is unreal. The aggressive 6x6 stance, massive all-terrain tires, reinforced steel bumpers, and elevated ground clearance instantly tell you this isn't built for campgrounds, it's built for domination. Whether it's desert, snow, mountain trails, or endless highways, this rig is engineered to go anywhere without hesitation. Under the hood, you're getting serious diesel power. A high-torque diesel engine designed for hauling extreme loads ensures that even with a fully equipped luxury cabin, this motorhome moves with authority. The 6x6 drivetrain provides maximum traction and stability, distributing power across all three axles for superior control in harsh terrain. This isn't just about travel, it's about unstoppable mobility. Step inside and everything changes. The exterior screams industrial strength, but the interior feels like a private penthouse. Premium leather seating, custom wood finishes, ambient LED lighting, and a fully integrated smart control system give it a modern luxury vibe. Every surface feels intentional. Every detail feels handcrafted. The living area features a full lounge setup with oversized seating, a large entertainment display, and climate-controlled comfort. Whether you're parked in the wilderness or overlooking a coastline, this space transforms into your personal retreat. Move toward the kitchen and you'll find residential-grade appliances. Full refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in microwave, and solid surface countertop. It's not a compact camper setup. It's a fully functional kitchen designed for extended off-grid living. The bedroom continues the high-end theme with a spacious layout, premium mattress, integrated storage solutions, and soft ambient lighting. Privacy, comfort, and practicality all engineered into one seamless design. And the bathroom? A full walk-in shower, modern fixtures, and high-quality materials that rival luxury apartments. No compromises, no shortcuts. Fueling this beast is high-performance diesel, giving it the range and torque needed to tackle extreme terrain while carrying a fully loaded luxury cabin. As for price, this fully customized 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome starts at around $2.2 million, a worthy investment for ultimate freedom on the road. This 2026 Kenworth 6x6 motorhome isn't just about size or power. It's about freedom. The freedom to leave the road behind. The freedom to travel without limit. The freedom to bring 5-star comfort anywhere on the planet. This is what happens when heavy-duty trucking engineering meets elite motorhome design. It's bold. It's dominant. And it's built for people who don't follow roads. They create their own path. If you love insane vehicles like this, hit that like button, comment which feature blew your mind the most, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic builds. You don't want to miss what's coming next.